Is it worth getting cheek fillers? If you're looking to add more volume or over time you've noticed some shadowing in your cheeks or not as much volume, cheek fillers are a great way to replace that and look more youthful, look more rested, and just look overall softer. This is a great thing to do. I would even choose this in many people over filling your traditional nasolabial folds and marionette lines just for a general softening, just making you look generally better. So I would say I do think it's worth doing cheek fillers if you're seeing those changes. How long do cheek fillers last? It depends which filler is used. This can be from 9 to 12 months if you're using fillers like Restylane or Juvederm. A lot of times we will choose fillers that are a little bit thicker and last longer, give you a bit of better projection, things like Restylane Lyft or Juvederm Voluma in the cheeks. These give a really nice volumization and then also last like 12 to 18 months. You can also use Radiesse. This lasts about 12 to 18 months. However, this is not a hyaluronic acid filler. And so if there's anything that you see you're not crazy about, maybe a little bump, maybe a little bit too much, you're not able to dissolve it. And so you just have to wait for it to go away before you can re-inject. For that reason, I tend to use more of the hyaluronic acid fillers. How much do cheek fillers cost? This depends on which filler you're using. Usually the fillers that last longer are a little bit more expensive. So fillers like Restylane or Juvederm that last 9 to 12 months range from around $600 to $800. And then the ones that last longer, that are the Restylane Lyft, the Juvederm Voluma, those can range from $700 up to $1,200 per syringe. This is per syringe, and you will need to ask your injector how many syringes they think that you need to get to the result that you want. It may be 1 syringe, it may be 2 syringes. You really kind of have to evaluate your face and have your physician or your injector let you know. Have questions? Call or email anytime. I help people like you every day, and I'd love to talk. Thanks for watching.